tree over there.
What do you mean?
Like when we would start that one. That one next? Or?
When my body fills up to it. That's gonna be tough, pruning that big old oak tree, you know.
Yeah.
That's a bunch of movement in there. A lot of up and down, and you guys,
you feel froggy, huh?
yeah. You guys better bring your lawn chairs for that one. What's up, YouTube? Hey, we're at the big maple. Well, it ain't a big maple. It's actually a little maple. What am I thinking? You can see it back behind me here, but it is a little decrepit, okay? You see it's got quite a bit of rot there in it, okay? So we are gonna bring this down. We got about 13 to 15 mile an hour winds today. Oh, watch the cube. Get that cube, Brad. Collapse that for me, will you? Oh, wind about blew that thing over. We'd have the string everywhere. Throw line blues is what they call that, YouTube. You know, and anybody else ever get their throw line tangled up? It is a nightmare to get it untangled. It'd take us 20 minutes to get her untangled. We just wad it up and throw it in the truck when that happens. But we're gonna get up in the top of this thing. I'm gonna try to smash and bash all this tree, get her done, get out of here. We got a bunch of rain coming in about 2 hours, and we are way off in the backyard, as you can tell. We got to go all the way around the pool and around to the front of the house. You guys ready?
Ready.
Yeah! We'll see you guys at the top. Thanks for watching. Time is of the essence, YouTube. Gotta get her going here. Just keep that tight for me.
Looks like it might rain today. Push up on the levee and it's bound to break. Like a spy storm from a mile away. Know that might better than you know my name. Looks like that bomb might explode. You can sneak around it on tippy toes. 'Cause she's got
tree trying to beat me up, guys. Watching this video, you enjoy the content, be sure to leave us a like, check out our channel. We greatly appreciate it. It would help us move throughout YouTube's difficult algorithm. Thanks for watching. bush down there, Brad. No. I got something for that. Untie my purple line. Thank you. Stay clear. Well, that's that, YouTube. I don't know, what was that, about 10 minutes flat? Something like that. Yeah. I don't even think I can drink a soda pop that fast. There you go, YouTube. That's all that's left of that little maple tree. About 13 minutes, 6 seconds, cut that sucker down. So, and I tell you what, you like the video, be sure to leave it a like. Nearly 80% of our viewers are not subscribed. So if you liked it, smash that subscribe button. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.
Looks like it might rain today. Push up on the levee and it's bound to break. I can spot a storm from a mile away. Know that bark better than I know my name. Looks like that bomb might explode. You can sneak around it on your tippy toes. 'Cause she's got a temper, she keeps locked and loaded with a bottle of tequila and some rock and roll. Give your love and you take it back. Sharpshooter in the Wild West. Always running with my heart attached. Always aiming for the heart. Watch out, things might pick up speed, then slow down, bring you to your knees. Red lip painted on the side of the drink, cyanide kisses from a cherry tree. Watch out, troubles walking in, high heel boots with a couple of friends. Says she came to drive, take her for a spin. Says you could call her lucky, but she came to win. Give your love and you take it back. Sharpshooter in the Wild West. Always running with my heart attached. Always aiming for the heart. I'm hypnotized.